What's up, it's your old pal, Nick Fleming Vlogs here. Today we're doing another YouTube video. Today it's our fishing vlog, my first fishing vlog. So basically we are going to get our fishing stuff for our fishing trip and see how it goes. We might catch fish, might not. That's how fishing goes. So let's get our fishing stuff. Get our fishing stuff gathered up. Okay, this is my fishing rod right here. Whoa. Literally my fishing rod right here. And I also need tackle box. Tackle box. Got tackle box. Got the stuff. I think that's it for the fishing stuff. That's the my lunch is left over in the house, so I'll get that when I go get and bring it out here. So I think that's it. And see you guys, we might start it up in the car or in the at the fishing hole. But see you guys then, whenever that is. What's up? We've only been fishing for a couple of hours now, but we officially, this is not our best fishing trip, but we caught some yellow perch, white yellow perch. That's all we caught, right? Yeah, yellow perch. And my friend Mark literally fell in the water. He was trying to get the Nissan motor to work. And when he pulled the thing, tried to start it up, he literally fell. The seat came undone because he hooks the seats in onto the boat. He fell in the water, and he literally he had a life jacket on, luckily, but he literally fell in the water. So we're heading home now because he's freezing cold. So yeah, see you guys when I get to my place. What's up? I'm officially back from our lovely fishing trip, but not really, because my friend, I explained to you guys already, my friend Mark fell in that river. Luckily it was on the shore instead of the middle of the river, because yeah, so basically he was sitting down and trying to get the motor started for the Nissan, for the boat, and when he pulled the thing, I forget what it's called, thing to get it started, his seat popped up and he fell in the river. So I don't know what this is going to be called, but sorry it wasn't that much of a fishing vlog. I might do another vlog to make up for it, who knows. But hopefully you enjoyed. Your old pal, Nick Fleming Vlogs is out.